Hey guys, what are you guys up to, huh? You guys are doing really good. Today we got a special. Today we're gonna install the seat belt from a 2012 Dodge Challenger. I'm gonna save you guys over $500 and show you how to install seat belt, driver's side seat belt for a 2012 and up Dodge Challenger. So stay tuned. So I went to the dealership in Burns Motors and pretty much they were charging me $659 just to install the seat belt, to replace the driver's side seat belt, and $600. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. So I went to my own hands. I looked around in Amazon, the Chrysler website, and everywhere else, from $150 to $300 just the seatbelt harness. So it was ranging between $150 and $300. So it's still pricey just for the harness, but hey, it is. I had to replace it because I couldn't even put the seatbelt anymore, and it became a hazard. So safety's first, right? So I went to a dealership in West Elko and asked for how much is the harness, and it was around 160 or so, but they hooked it up really good because we're pretty much part of the Mopar, RGV Modern Mopar, and hopefully they're gonna sponsor us soon. They even offered to sponsor us, and we're gonna be looking into that. So RGV Modern Mopar, get ready. Hopefully Payne's Motors will sponsor us on parts, because he really hooked it up on the seatbelt part, which I only spent $100 on it, and hopefully they'll be our next sponsors for RGB Modern Mopar. So they're gonna hook us up really good, guys. So stay tuned for the upcoming parts for my car. I'm gonna start buying some mods for this car, but for now I got the seat belt to replace, so I saved myself over $500 to have the dealership do it. So I'm going to do it for you guys, show you how to do it, walk you step by step how to do it, how to replace the seat belt, and save you $500. Good afternoon, guys. We're going to show you how to take off a seat belt harness from your 2012 Dodge Challenger. It's all universal. All Dodge Challengers pretty much are going to be working the same, just from 2011 and up Dodge Challengers. There's only two tools you're going to need, and that's it, man. You're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver and a T50 hex, and that's all you need, is these two simple tools. And we're going to be taking off the seat belt. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna install a seat belt. Pretty much, if your seat belt's locking up now, it's not really working, it's locking up too much, we're gonna show you how to install the seat belt right now. First of all, you're gonna remove this panel right here.
Yeah.
You're just gonna bring it up. It's just clips.
Yeah.
There we go. You see, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here.
Yeah.
Pretty much going in here.
Yeah, and it also doesn't matter if there's clips, right?
Does matter, woman. Alright, and to remove this bad boy here, it's the same way. You're just gonna pop it out and remove the clips. And the T50 hex, there's one here. I'm gonna take off this one. It's gonna be a long one. It's a long bolt in there, and a Phillips screw. Alright, here you go, one screw down.
Yeah.
Boom.
And one more to go. Right there?
And let's get this hex going right here.
Hexagon?
Lefty loosey, guys, lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey?
Yeah.
Lefty loosey is a funny word.
There you have it, folks.
Oh.
Bolt on the hex.
Oh, that's a
Arms out. Now to remove this baby here, just gonna pull on it gently. Get the clips out. clips out. There it is. Move the seat belt all the way out. Get this bad boy out here. As you can see, there's a push pin here. Take out that push pin. There we go. One push, one little clip there, one little push pin.
They have a little more, but I think we can.
Bust that out.
Oh, I found it.
Baby up. Here we go, guys. Pretty much got to play with this seatbelt here. Take it out. Just make sure it loops around that area there. And the only thing that's holding it together right now is just this little indent here that goes in there. Let's take that off. There goes another hex screw there. Pretty much the same size, T50. Alright, now the simple part right here. All you're going to do is remove those bolts. 2 of them here. And so got one here, Phillips head there, and 2 bolts right there. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once you get it out, you have it out. Bam! And also disconnect the sensor right here, the seatbelt sensor. All you gotta do is push this out, grab it, your nail on one end, your nail on the other end, right here on the edges. Just push it out. There you go. So all you have to do is once it's out like that, you can remove it. Really simple. From there, take off the Phillips head here, the T50 hex down here, the one right down there, and 2 more T50 hexes sizes down up here. Once you remove that, replace it. We'll get right back at you. Boom. Let's see. Alright, guys, we removed the old
to new.
Here it is.
The newest seatbelt.
Remove the old seatbelt.
To new seatbelt.
Here we go. There it is, and we installed the new seatbelt right here. So, all you have to do is just make sure you put everything back in order the way you took it out. Put it back in and go push it back in. There it is, nice and snug. Hexes back in, 2 hexes back in. Alright, and here we go. Let's install it right back.
I like your video.
Make sure you get the seatbelt all around again. And make sure that the seatbelt clip goes through the loop on the bottom. Make sure it's not still inside. Oh, make sure the seatbelt clip comes out. So you don't want the loop all the way back in there again. Alright, here we go.
I think we'll get this watching our video that we're making.
There it is. Ooh, it's really hot in here. Alright guys, as I said, make sure the seat belt harness is back up, and make sure the bottom harness goes through this loop right here. Alright, get this bad boy in here. Boom. Seatbelt deal going in there. Boom. Here we go. The bolt in. Look at this right here. Do you see the bolt? So the bolt goes in here to secure it in. Seatbelt's out.
Is that the new seatbelt or the old seatbelt?
Alright.
Is that the old seatbelt or
It's
the
all
new?
in there.
Is it the new or the old?
Once again, remove this down.
Oh, magic!
Put
I see something.
make sure you put the push pin back in there. Sorry guys, just working with one hand here.
And you really know can do that. Really funny.
Yeah. Little bro trying to help. There you go. Once it's back in there, push the clips back in. Make sure everything sits in place. Spank it in there. Just spank it in there, guys. That's all you gotta do. Just spank it in there. There we go. Woo! Sweating up a storm here. It's a lot cooler outside than it is inside.
And the new seatbelt?
There you go. There you have it.
And the new seatbelt?
All nice and framed in. Boom. Nothing missing.
Is that the old seatbelt or the new one?
There you go. Put this in.
I don't know what seatbelt
Back.
was it.
There it is. Get your Phillips head back in. Put your screw back in. Put your Phillips head. Nice and easy. Bam. Just pop it back in, guys. There you go. Job all done. Working seatbelt. Ready to go.
Is that the new?
Oh,
Is
just
that
screw
the new?
the last
Old.
hex head
I don't
back
know if
in,
it's
alright?
the new or the old.
Just screw the back hex back in. That's all you gotta do. The last one, and we're home free, guys.
Okay. Has to be on it.
Alright, guys, there you have it. Split back up. Brand new seatbelt. Working like a charm now. Old seatbelt. Locks up. Didn't even go down. Look at that. Like, it's all locked up. It won't work anymore. Oh yeah, and thank you, Mopar, for the parts.
If this video was helpful, click the subscribe button for more helpful videos. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Awesome.
Now the last video is about